Hello everyone, we hope you're doing absolutely wonderful. It is mid-June 2021, we're on our first GR outing. Now we'd love to have invited you all, but unfortunately COVID regulations say no pad at all. So just a few of us, we've got our beloved GR member Ivan here, we've got of course Alison here, and me, and Brendan behind the camera, don't forget Brendan. We're going to be meeting my brother, we're going to the Snetterton race course to watch some serious touring cars. Sorry about the wind noise, which you're most certainly getting. We're going in our beloved new Mazdas. We've got Bert and Listerine. We will of course get some onboard shots as well. There literally is no other way, cooler way of travelling other than maybe on some kind of action horse. But that is simply not efficient. Right, with that, we're going to get going. Welcome back, valued viewers. We've now reached Snetterton race course. We're just qualifying at the moment. Warming up. We've got our full complement. Ivan, say hello.
Hi.
That's our beautiful Ivan. You all know Ivan by now. Bulgarian Ivan. Brendan, say hello.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Warm.
Really? I'm not.
It's cool.
This is my brother. Say hello.
Howdy.
He tries to look cool. He's a cool man. Alison, say hello. Supercap, say hello. Hello. We're going to watch some racing and things, and have a bit of fun.
As we started. Ended up staying where he was. He made a decision and then lost one in a couple of corners, but a good start as you say from Matthew down front. Yeah, absolutely correct. So even up to down at 67.
I hope you enjoyed that, because we certainly did, didn't we guys?
Yep.
I'm thoroughly baked because it's been sunny, as you can see, in this wonderful June weather. It's great. We've seen miniatures racing, we've seen Ginetta's racing, junior Ginetta's racing, F4's racing, and the other one that I can't remember. Porsches that were less impressive than I thought, but it's all right. So I'll just stroke my Grim Reaper's merchandise, which is of course available. Anything to add, Brendan?
No.
That's really it then.
Superb.
We'll see you later when we book our next appointment. Bye bye for now.